To recover USB hidden files infected by a virus using the command prompt, in Windows, you can follow these steps. Insert your USB drive. Open command prompt. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type CMD, and press Enter. This will open the command prompt. Navigate to the USB drive. Use the CD command to navigate to the drive letter assigned to your USB drive. For example, if your USB drive is assigned the letter E, type E, and press Enter. As you can see, the infected files on my USB drives are hidden. View hidden files, type dir/8h and press Enter. This command will display all hidden files on the USB drive. If your files are hidden, they should now be visible. Remove hidden attribute. If the files are still hidden, you can remove the hidden attribute from all files on the USB drive using the following command. Previously hidden infected files are now visible on the USB drive. Recover files. Once the files are visible, you can copy them to a safe location on your computer to prevent further infection. You can use the copy command to copy files. Copy, source, destination. Replace source with the path to the file on the USB drive. Click the file or folder you want to recover to your PC and select View, then click Copy Path. Paste the path in the command prompt. Replace destination with the path to where you want to copy the file on your computer. Highlight the folder and choose the Home tab. Click Copy Path. Paste the path in the command prompt. Press Enter to execute the command. As you can see, we have successfully recovered 6 USB hidden files infected by viruses. Scan for viruses. After recovering your files, it's essential to scan them using an antivirus program to ensure they are clean and free of any malware. You can choose the Quick Scan or Custom Scan, depending on the type of antivirus you are using. Select the folder containing the recovered files and scan it. Remember to safely eject your USB drive after recovering your files to prevent further contamination.